Since the introduction of mass-produced hybrid cars over 10 years ago, the demand for these vehicles and the sophisticated drive battery packs they rely on has grown rapidly. Until now, options for replacing hybrid battery packs have been limited to OE dealerships or salvage yards. Dorman OE Solutions is proud to launch its new category of remanufactured hybrid drive batteries into the automotive aftermarket. This exciting line of direct replacement battery packs positions aftermarket service centers to capture this growing market and shift demand away from the OE dealer. Over a decade ago, the first hybrids began selling in the U.S. Today, the original dealer warranties on those vehicles are expiring. Hybrid drive batteries fail over time as they lose their ability to hold a charge. Similar to conventional batteries, hybrid battery packs eventually have a 100% failure rate, typically experienced between 80,000 to 200,000 miles. The hybrid category has demonstrated dramatic growth over the past 10 years, leading to a total U.S. vehicle population now exceeding 2 million vehicles on the road today. As a whole, hybrids are projected to account for over 7% of the car market by 2015. This hybrid growth, coupled with the expired warranties for early hybrids, results in a tremendous demand for replacement hybrid drive battery packs. Dorman's new program provides broad coverage for the most popular hybrid vehicles on the road today. Additionally, as new models are launched, Dorman will be constantly developing and introducing new hybrid coverage to match consumer demand. Prior to Dorman's introduction of remanufactured hybrid drive battery packs, technicians attempting a replacement were limited to sourcing through either the OE dealer or specialty niche providers. In most cases, the batteries offered by these sources require additional labor to service and program individual battery components, such as modules. Dorman's hybrid drive battery units save time and money. They arrive as a plug-and-play direct replacement. They are ready to install and require no programming. The need for expensive programming tools required to reprogram modules found on other hybrid drive batteries is eliminated with Dorman's solution. This enables any service center with qualified technicians to perform these hybrid battery replacements. All Dorman hybrid drive battery packs are completely remanufactured. This process requires that each individual unit be thoroughly tested to confirm optimal battery pack performance. This ensures that a Dorman battery pack will restore the vehicle's electrical system to like-new operating functionality.